Orlando Pirates coach Jose Rivero could have a selection headache ahead for the next match in the CAF Champions League. The Buccaneers will be in the Ivory Coast to face Stage Albert Jam in their next Champions League fixtures this coming Saturday, aiming to topple group leaders of which is Al Ahly. Although the two sides are on the same numbers of points, but they are separated by the goal difference. In their previous fixture in Orlando Stadium on Saturday against Al Ahly, Rivero surprisingly had Monopoly Saleng back in the starting lineup after he missed some of the recent matches, as we all saw. The 26-year-old return meant that the young Mohaung Kota, who was been on the form of Bucks, was relegated to the bench despite having scored 2 goals in the previous fixture against CRB, which Bucks won 2-1. Indications that Rivero could be tempted to bring Kota back to start on Saturday, although the technicians was also satisfied with Saleng's contribution. Speaking to the source said that it can be a headache if you want to put it that way, but it's a good selection headache for the coach. The youngster Kota has been doing well, and him starting on the bench in the previous game doesn't mean that there was something wrong. It was just a coach decision. He stands a chance to be back in the starting lineup, said the source. Kota played in the last 20 minutes against Al Ahly, having come on the Dion Hoto while Saleng was on the park for the whole match, and it was recommended by Rivero for his performance. That's it for today. Please place your view on the comment section. I will see you on the next video.